Sometimes we start unsure, feeling lost, and wondering which way to go. Days pass and nothing seems to change. We feel stuck, staring at the same reflection. But progress doesn't come all at once. It comes in tiny steps, just 1%, every single day. A small step, a small action. At first, it may seem insignificant, but each choice, each effort compounds over time. Learning, planning, taking action. Slowly, day by day, you start to notice change. Confidence grows, momentum builds, and small improvements begin to curve upward. Over time, growth becomes exponential. You begin to see your future self. Every tiny positive action brings you closer to who you want to be. Savings, habits, small steps forward. Each one matters, and every day there's a choice. Move forward or backward, up or down. Choose progress, take that step, stand taller, move with intention. Layer by layer, effort stacks, and soon you're standing on the foundation you built. Look back only to see how far you've come. The past fades, the present is stronger. This is the power of 1% daily, small steps, consistent effort, lasting transformation.